Hello everybody. Now here in this video I will talk about the theoretical frameworks that I used during my digital learning resource. So one of them, which is the technology, pedagogy, content, knowledge. So first I would like you to know what is knowledge. Knowledge is any information that we gain throughout our life. And we have technology here. Technology, if we give a definition of it, we could find that we have standard technology like regular book, blackboard, pens, and we have also advanced technology like smart boards, electronic books. Okay, and we have also softwares in any computer. And here in my digital learning resource I used Microsoft Office, which is a PowerPoint. And also I used Prezi, and here the Screen-O-Matic are all softwares. Okay, so the teacher should be up to date. So I should update all my windows every time and check them regularly. This is very important. Okay, and here we have the pedagogy. What is pedagogy? Pedagogy, we could find that here I used it in my digital learning resource by following those three theoretical framework to update my lessons. Okay, as well. So it is very important to update my lessons by creating new ideas. So in the high school lectures of the cellular respiration, I tried to create or to merge my crafting ideas to my biology lessons or to my content, which are the subject. Okay, so here I tried to merge them together to create an easy way to learn, and also I decided to make a key in each lesson to facilitate the process of learning. And also the pedagogy, we could use assessment tool. So here I decided to use Padlet to assess my high school students, and also I used Rubric to assess my college and university students. Okay, and I also I decided to use certain strategy or methodology while teaching, and using online process to record my lessons, so everybody could learn anywhere at any time. Moreover, here I deeply practiced before recording my lessons, okay, to obtain this final form. So it is very important to know that the teacher should be very organized, and that could happen by being consistent. So consistency is very important. So I decided to create a series of 3 consistent lessons, okay, which are related to each other's. And here I will talk about content knowledge. Content knowledge, where we have subject, okay, and my subject differ from other teachers. So for example, the subject also varies with age. So here I have 2 age categories. For example, I have the high school student, where I decided to teach the cellular respiration, including the 3 pathways that generate the 38 ATPs at the end, like glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain or respiratory chain as well. Okay, and here we have my another age category, which is the college and university students, where I decided to teach cell division, nerve cell, and muscle contraction. Okay, and so good teacher is the one who tries to link those technology to pedagogy and to content. The teacher tried to join them together. Okay, so here, as you see here, if we have here, for example, the pedagogy content, here they are intersected together to give this part. Okay, where you could find that teaching the content varies from one teacher to another, and it's very important to make the content easy to learn. So this is what I tried to create while teaching my lessons, by using Prezi, PowerPoint, where there is animation in PowerPoint, and Prezi there is zooming in and out. So I tried to make it attractive as well. and my high school student, I tried to create this lesson to make it easy to comprehend them. And you could see that also I tried to follow certain strategies. So the teacher should have should be familiar with the teaching strategies like lecture, PBL, games, simulation, reflection, e-learning. So here I give this. I decided to use lecturing, and by using technology or e-learning, so because you could learn through distance, and also I will ask my student to reflect through their discussion and through my question to assess them. And here you could see this part, we have technology and content, they interact together here. Okay, this is the intersection where you could find there is a reciprocal relationship between technology and content, where the information knowledge could be facilitated by using technology, no doubt for that. And teaching needs to know the subject, and also they should know the manner of teaching the subject, how to teach it. Okay, and here this part is the intersection of the pedagogy with the technology, where you could find that the teacher should know the strategies, as I mentioned before, and also technology here is very important by joining the room, for example, creating a chatting room or using Skype for discussion, or creating a discussion forum, as exactly what we are doing in this course. In every module we are doing a discussion together, and here it's very important to merge the three together. Here we could find that the intersection of the technology, pedagogy, content, knowledge, they are here the intersection gives this TPCK theoretical framework. And this is a good teacher who could link them together in a professional way. Okay, here I would also like to talk about the EEE theoretical framework, where you could find that I decided here the engagement. We have engagement, enhancement, and extension. So I decided to, here, this is my reflection, engagement, I decided to use inspiration software, inspirational softwares like Filmora Go to edit my videos in my YouTube channel, Learn With Me. I will encourage the learner to leave any question that open a door to communicate with me and to enhance their engagement, and let them reflect on what they learned as well. So also we have here enhancement. In my YouTube channel, you could find that I used to create a studio option, which allows me to edit subtitles, translate, and change light effects like darkness, lightness. Moreover, I used Screen-O-Matic, which is a very beneficial tool. Now I record my lesson by using it now, and you could find that I use Filmora Go also for my applications. Very beneficial editing to edit my videos by adding music, themes, crop, translation, trim, and rejoin my videos. That was very beneficial, especially for my high school students. The cellular respiration, I used Filmora Go. And these tools will enhance the students' ability to engage actively and learn deeply by entertaining a scientific animated video. So for this reason, I decided to select the 3D animated video from the YouTube and merge it with my lesson. Because that is very nice, because you could it could let the student imagine more what I'm saying, so that would facilitate the process of learning as well. And here we have extension. People could learn anywhere and at any time through this technology. So learn through distance is an e-learning process. And also I used the EEE theoretical framework where they mentioned a rubric, how important it is to use a rubric. So I decided to use my rubric according to their advice. And here we have the SAMR model. Also I will give you my reflection on it. I used subtitles, substitution and augmentation, modification and redefinition. We have substitution, where I could use a software like PowerPoint or Prezi, which are different ways to use technology. They give the same result because they are both softwares, and I could just put the content knowledge that I have on them, and then I could describe them. But the difference between PowerPoint that you could use more animation than Prezi, and Prezi you could zoom in and out, which is very fun and very exciting as well. Augmentation, this could be classified as as long as we learn digital device in the module 5. So here this is could be related to it. So this could be useful for the teacher to have a second plan. For example, if there is an electricity cutoff, then the teacher should replace it by using his original Blackboard technology or by using his original book to teach. So now I should have another plan B. This is very important for avoid distraction. We have number 3, modification. Okay, I tried also in my digital learning resource to follow it. This is exactly what we are also doing in this course. So everyone can access to his or her colleague's link, so we can better learn from each other's. Moreover, we know how everyone thinks, and this is the main goal of using technology, to spread the information all over the world. This is similar to the GPCK and EEE theoretical framework, which demonstrated that technology should encourage the engagement through encouraging the student to get effective feedback from their peers. And this is what exactly we are doing now in this module. This is also similar to what we will do, or we are doing, in the home engagements through this course, because we should evaluate each other's work in our digital learning resource by receiving and giving constructive feedback to our peer. As a result, we will get the maximum benefit from each other's and from our learning process. Moreover, here I asked my students in my digital learning resource lesson to, in high school student, I asked them to, in my Padlet, to assess them. How? By asking each one to ask a question to his peer and then select other 3 different questions to answer. That will enhance the collaboration together. So this is all. I try to do that to follow the GPCK theoretical framework and EEE theoretical framework and SAMR as well. And we have redefinition. Using computer technology nowadays allows to create new tasks which were impossible to create in the past. So here, moreover, technology enhances the collaboration and helps such a kind of communication to occur. As a result, I encourage my students to communicate with me by leaving any comment or interacting by creating a discussion forum or mini blogs in my Twitter account. And so I decided to leave my Twitter account, my WordPress account, and my email in my YouTube channel. And also they could comment on my YouTube channel, Learn With Me. So here I finished talking about this lesson, this series and theoretical framework. Here, part of the pedagogy content, knowledge is to assess the students. So we have assessment for and as and of learning, which are very important. So the teacher could assess both assessment of learning and assessment for learning. But assessment as learning is from a student to his peer and to himself as a self-evaluation. And here are the assessment tools that I used during this study in my high school and college and university level.